Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about arrow functions in ES6. Arrow function is basically a cleaner and better way of writing functions over the regular vanilla JavaScript syntax. In regular JavaScript, this is how to write a function. As we all know, name of function. And we pass in the logic here. Console log my name. This is how to write a function in regular JavaScript. But in ES6, we'll say const, then the name of function, let's say name of function, set that to, and the equal sign and the greater than sign gives us sort of an arrow sign there, and right here with the console log this is my arrow function. Now let's run our code to see what we have. As we can see, nothing is displaying in our console, and that's because we have not called our function. To call our function, we do it the same way we do it in vanilla JavaScript. Now let's run our code to see what we have. As you can see, we have this is my arrow function in our console. Now let's write another arrow function using variables and arguments. Let's say const profile set to, let's pass in a variable of name, and let's say console.log. Using the backticks, say my name is name. Now let's come out here and call our function. And to call our function, we just pass in the name of the function there, and we pass in the value for our name variable here. Now let's run our code to see what we have. As you can see, it says my name is Migrant Solution. Now I want to explain something. You know, in our regular JavaScript, when we have function here, name of function, and we could just pass age, name, location here. When we come here, we can just return age. You know, variables or arguments are passed in these brackets. It's the same way in ES6. This bracket is used to collect arguments of variables for our function. Now, always ensure there is no space between the equal sign and the greater than sign, like this. This is not correct. As you can see, we already have error signals here. So always ensure it's closed like this. Let me point out something else. Let's get rid of this. If you have just one argument in ES6, you can get rid of these brackets like this, and your function is going to work just fine. So you see, it works fine. But if you have more than one argument, let's say you have name, age, balance, and location, always ensure the brackets are present. And also, if you have just one variable, you can still keep the brackets or you can take them out, anyone that works for you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.